Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. I went crazy. I have gone mad. It is time for a brand new game on my challenge. This is what happens when you do 27 challenges in 1 week. You start to think that your name is not NikkieTutorials, but Challenge Tutorials. Today, I am introducing a brand new game to my channel. After seeing Alyssa Ashley do Mystery Makeup Monday, every Monday on her channel, I also wanted a game on my channel because I love games and I love how luck will take your path and run into a very dark, dark alleyway. So today, I am introducing a brand new game to my channel, and the game is called Makeup Bingo! I know bingo is for 60-year-olds and up, but today we are giving it a brand new pink light. In Makeup Bingo, life has a way of living. The gods from up above will tell me what makeup look to do. I don't know what look I'm doing today because the bingo will decide. I am so proud of this moment. I love, if you dare to say that I ran out of ideas for my channel, beat this. Here's how it works. Bingo is all about making sets, making lines, making patterns. And usually you have bingo when a line goes straight down from left to right, and then boom, 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 boom. And then we also have the diagonal ones. Remember those? Okay, here we go. When my bingo decides to be like this, hello, it means that I have won bronze. Bronze is a nightmare. In bronze, I'm gonna be wearing pretty much my nightmare product. So when we're thinking foundation, sheer, pretty much no powder, applying it with the most impossible brush, it is a travesty. When my bingo lands on this, I win silver. Silver is a little bit better than a nightmare, but still it isn't great. When bingo lands on gold, it is a good day because I get to wear my favorite foundation, my favorite concealer, a little bit less powder, but it's a good old day. Like nothing's bad happening, but it won't be my best work to date. Now, when I get a diagonal bingo, this is the jackpot and we call it glitter. With glitter, I get to choose the best products out there, AKA holy grails. So think my favorite palettes, think my favorite products, that will be in that option. Catch my drift? So, without any further ado, let the makeup bingo commence. I feel like I need highlighter on my shoulder. Better. All right, it is time for round number 1, and we will determine what is happening on the base. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. Number 8. Number 8. That's on the left row. We're off to an awful great start. All right, time for our next number. Ooh. We have 20. 20 is on the right. We're off to a great, great path. Oh gosh. Number 4. Number 4 is also on the left. So right now we have 2 possible winners for a bingo. On the left for bronze, which I hope doesn't happen, we have 16 left. And for the diagonal bingo, we have number 10 left. Let's see what number is next. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Number 1. Number 1 adds another chance to getting bronze, plus another possibility of getting gold. So now we have 3 options, bronze, gold, and glitter. Okay, let's see what happens next. 10 is glitter! Oh my god, oh my god. 10 makes for a diagonal bingo, which means I can use my holy grail products. First up, I'm so excited, Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Becca 24-Hour Ultimate Coverage Foundation. I tried this for 24 hours. If you missed that video, I'll put it on the screen right now so you can check it out. This has swept me off my feet. This has stolen my heart. I love this stuff. Okay, now I'm dipping into my favorite concealer, the NARS Soft Matte Complete Conceal, and going over top with a little bit of Kylie Cosmetics concealer. That is like the golden, like, magic standard lately. And of course, I'm now setting the under eyes using the Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline. Time for round number 2, where we determine what will go on my eyeballs. All right, so here is our bingo card, and let's go for our first number. Okay. $16. 16's on the left. Amazing. Next number. 10. 10 is also on the left. We only need a 2 for our worst nightmare eye look. Just awesome. I swear to God, if this is a 2, I'm gonna riot. 20! So 20 gives us the option for a gold when we get 15. So right now we have 15 for gold and 2 for bronze. Be nice to me, please. Don't let me down. 14. With 14, we have a possibility for legit like everything, right? Let's see where it takes us. Oh, please don't let it be 2. Don't let it be 2. 2. This is not how I planned this video on going. 2 means our worst nightmare. When I think of the palette that betrayed me the most when playing with it, it definitely was Subculture, but I ended up throwing Subculture out of my collection, so I would have loved using it for the bronze, for the worst nightmare, but I don't have it any longer. A great substitute is the Naughty palette by Kylie Jenner. I filmed with this palette and I never posted it because it just wasn't working out. The shades didn't blend nicely together. Just the overall feel and overall blend and quality of the shadows just weren't working for me on that day. And on that day, I was wearing primer. I had lashes to cover up my mistakes. I had liner, I had all of it. And today I have none of that. For the bronze, I am not allowed to put an eye primer on. So this is all I'm working with today. What are we in the mood for? Here we go, taking a plunge into the taupey shade right here called Tipsy. I would love to be tipsy right now. I'm just applying this, into the crease, like I said, using circular motions. You know, when you're really used to applying shadow onto a sticky base, and then applying shadow on a non-sticky base, actually no base at all, it feels different. I am blending that edge. I love not having a primer because it is leaving like little spots of inconsistency throughout the crease. When you look over here, you're like, oh, I'm not doing that bad at all. And then right here, you see like a big patch of no pigment. And I'm like, okay, I see. Okay, so the crease is on. Now I wanna dip into this gray color to darken the outer edges. And that color is called Coal. Let's hope it doesn't apply like coal. Oh, okay, Kylie. Oh wait, hold on. Now, the goal is to like blend that in, that harsh edge. I can't seem to get rid of all the patchiness that is happening over here, but I mean, it's not my best work, but I mean, so proud of that, beautiful. Okay, time for the silver on the lid. This is called Snowflake. Now that is a shade, Kylie. This silver shade is saving the day without a primer. Okay, Kylie, I see. I definitely didn't try that silver in that video back then. Okay, on the inner corner, I am applying Snowball, the white. You know, I feel like right now I am grabbing Makeup Bingo by the balls and showing it that I am the boss over here. Taking Coal and applying it on this outer edge. A little bit of Tipsy to continue. Okay, so I think I am liking this eye look. Now to finish off, I am applying mascara. Now, if you're new to my channel, my lashes are stick straight and they don't want to curl. So my trick is to curl my lashes and right after go in with a waterproof mascara to keep that curl up. No curling today, no waterproof mascara today, just regular mascara. And no falsies. Oh, God. I can't even reach them. They are pointing down so bad. Do you see that instead of going up, they literally go down? I can't even reach the root of my lash because they're pointing down so much. Go up, go up, go up. Oh, you're down. I have world's saddest lashes. I honestly do. All right, so I am quickly gonna do the same on my other eye off camera to save some time, and then I will be back for a new round of bingo. Suddenly, I'm not as excited for round 3 anymore because I feel like the makeup gods are against me. Time for a new makeup round. Let's go. Okay, be nice to me, please. Okay, first number is 3. Okay, here we go. Number 2 goes to 15. 15. Oh God, no, I see. My cheeks are waiting on some good luck. Okay, here we go. Next one. We have got number 8. Oh God, oh shit, I just saw it, oh God. The next possible bingo is number 1 for bronze, my worst nightmare, or 14 for my holy grail. Let's find out if something is happening in the next one. Oh, please don't let me down, please don't let me down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 14! 14 means a diagonal bingo, meaning I can play with some of the best products out there. I'm so excited. Alrighty, cheeks, I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's like the makeup gods are like, you get it, girl. No, you don't. You get it, girl. I feel like the next round is gonna be like, no, you don't. For cheeks, I get to use some of my favorite products at this moment. I'm so excited to share this with you. I've been dying to talk about this bronzer on my channel because I've been so obsessed with it. This is by Jouer. They just came out with, I believe, 2 new bronzers. This one is called Light to Medium Duo. The color here is called Sunlight, and this color right here is called Suntan. This on fair skin tones like mine is so pretty. It bronzes us up so nicely. Like, I look healthy. I look radiant. My mom is the type of woman that will say that I look pretty when I look a little bit more tanned. And whenever I wear this bronzer, I look a little bit more tanned. And she's like, sweetie, you look amazing. And I'm like, Jouer. So I definitely highly suggest you checking out this bronzer right here. And I do have a discount code when it comes to Jouer. You don't have to use it, but if you like saving money, you can. So when you apply the code Nikki at discount at the Jouer website, it will save you a little bit of money, but only use it when you're okay with it. I also kind of drag it across the top of my nose from tip to bridge. And this really helps me in my nose contouring lately because it just gives me a little guide. Okay, I'm quickly gonna contour. Contouring the nose. And then now you go, Nikki, that nose contour looks like shit. I agree. That's why they invented setting powder to bake with. Thank you, James Charles, for teaching me how to do this. For blush, my current favorite is this one by MAC. This one is in the color Spellbinder. And for highlighter, one of my favorite shades as of lately is one of the new shades that Ofra came out with. This is Star Island, and it is so pretty. And let's also brush away that big, and that will leave us with the most in real life face-tuned contoured nose. Okay, cheeks are on and looking exactly the way as I would love them to look. So now let's go to the final round of makeup bingo and let's see what will go on to these lips right here. Okay, let's see what our first number will be. And it is a luscious, beautiful one. The one is on the right, gold. Second number. Six. So if our next one is a 3, We'll be back to bronze. Here we go. 9. Please, no 20. Please be nice to me. Please be nice to me. It is 19. Moving along. 18. Moment of truth, everybody. Moment of truth. 14. I swear to God, people are gonna think that I'm faking this shit. Which means another diagonal. I know. Apparently, luck is right behind me. The 3rd diagonal bingo of the day. Here we go for lips. Okay, for lips, my favorite lip liner at the moment is by Makeup Forever. It is Whatever Walnut. Is it weird that I'm kind of sad that it landed on a diagonal again? Because I feel like people are now gonna say that I, broke the system or messed with the system. I did not, I swear. Going in with a nice dark nude lipstick for some gradient. And applying the MAC Oh Sweetie lip gloss in Sugar Cookies over top. And that, guys, is my completed look. And that, my glow babies, is my look playing makeup bingo. What do you think? I'm actually really excited for this game, and definitely let me know if I should do more in the future. Maybe we can do brows for the future, or do like extreme, like the possibilities are so endless with this one, and I just hope that you enjoyed this fun little makeup game. Now, in the end today, I of course got very, very lucky with 3 diagonal bingos and just 1 bronze. So luck was definitely on my side in today's video, but who knows in a next video that it will be totally against me. Yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know that I should do this more often. And of course, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you so much for watching, glow babies. I love you so much, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.